In the ever-evolving world of photography, the quest for the perfect shot knows no bounds. Whether you're a budding enthusiast or a seasoned pro, the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the realm of full-frame mirrorless cameras, where innovation meets affordability. Say goodbye to budget constraints because we've curated a list of the top 10 best full-frame mirrorless cameras for 2023 that won't break the bank. So, if you're ready to elevate your photography game, stick around because we've got some incredible gear to explore. Links to all the mentioned products are available in the description below for updated pricing. So let's dive right in. Number 10. Sony Alpha 7 III. Our journey begins with the Sony Alpha 7 III, a true workhorse in the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras. Equipped with a back-illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor and an arsenal of advanced imaging innovations, this 24.2-megapixel sensor captures photographs with breathtaking detail and vibrant colors. But it's not just about photos. This camera boasts an impressive response rate, allowing you to capture up to 10 frames per second with AE autofocus tracking, whether you're using the silent or mechanical shutter mode. When it comes to video, the Alpha 7 III is a powerhouse, capable of shooting 4K HDR movies with full pixel readouts, eliminating pixel binning or cropping, ensuring your footage is as stunning as your photographs. Additionally, its long-lasting Z battery ensures you can keep shooting without worrying about running out of power midway through a shoot. Sony's commitment to innovation shines through in this camera, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 9. Canon EOS RP. The Canon EOS RP is a full-frame camera that's redefining portability. It's the lightest and smallest full-frame EOS camera on the market, making it the ideal companion for those on the move. Don't be fooled by its compact size. It delivers impressive image quality thanks to its 26.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. One standout feature of the EOS RP is its RF mount, which is compatible with a wide range of lenses, giving you the flexibility to capture the perfect shot in any scenario. Its lightning-fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system ensures your subjects are always sharp. The touchscreen LCD adds a layer of customization, allowing you to swipe and tap the screen to change the focus point. The EOS RP truly exemplifies Canon's commitment to creating user-friendly, high-quality cameras. Number 8. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Now, let's shift our focus to the Panasonic Lumix S5 II, a camera that's setting a new standard for both photography and videography. With its updated engine, powerful sensor, and improved stabilization system, this camera is the ultimate choice for creators looking to push their creative boundaries. Featuring phase detection autofocus, the S5 II provides fast and accurate focus in any situation. Its active IS technology is a game-changer, offering the most advanced image stabilization system, ensuring your footage remains smooth and steady, even in challenging conditions. Plus, with optimized heat dissipation, you can enjoy extended recording. Even when shooting in 4K or 6K, Panasonic's commitment to innovation shines through, making the Lumix S5 II a perfect choice for creators seeking a camera that can keep up with their creative vision. Number 7. Nikon Z6 II. Our journey continues with the Nikon Z6 II, a full-frame camera that surpasses expectations with its advanced features. This camera is designed to take your photography to the next level, and it all starts with its exceptional autofocus system. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the Z6 II's advanced autofocus system ensures you get the shot you want with ease. Powered by dual X-Speed 6 processing engines, the Z6 II offers lightning-fast image processing, increased buffer capacity, and overall speed. It can record in 4K Ultra HD at 60p, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed footage with full pixel readout. This feature ensures you capture every detail, whether you're shooting a fast-moving subject or a stationary scene. In summary, the Nikon Z6 II offers more of everything you desire in a hybrid camera for both stills and video. Number 6. Canon EOS R. As a photographer or filmmaker, you always strive to exceed expectations with every shot you take, and the Canon EOS R is here to help you do just that. With a full-frame 30.3-megapixel sensor, this camera captures images with exceptional detail and boasts outstanding ISO performance. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus ensures that every shot is sharp and in focus, making it easier to capture the perfect moment. When combined with Canon's new RF lenses, you get an unparalleled shooting experience that elevates your storytelling to new heights. This interchangeable lens camera is designed to work seamlessly with the new era of RF lenses, optimizing their performance on a full-frame sensor. This combination of high-performance optics and an innovative lens mount opens up new creative possibilities in both photography and filmmaking. Number 5. Nikon Z5. With the Nikon Z5, photographers can unleash their creativity like never before. This full-frame mirrorless camera combines compactness with power, thanks to Nikon's revolutionary Z mount. It features a 24.3-megapixel CMOS sensor that produces sharp images with ultra-shallow depth of field and clean low-light shots. Powered by Nikon's X-Speed 6 image processing system, the Z5 ensures exceptional photo and video quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Z5 equips you with the tools and capabilities to take your skills to the next level. Nikon's commitment to innovation shines through in this camera, making it a versatile choice for photographers of all levels. Number 4. Sony A7C. In the world of photography, the Sony A7C is a game changer. Its compact size and lightweight design make it the perfect choice for creators who demand full-frame performance without the burden of heavy equipment. Despite its size, this camera packs a punch with its advanced 24.2-megapixel back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. The A7C's real-time eye autofocus feature is truly remarkable, employing artificial intelligence to detect and process eye data in real time, ensuring unprecedented precision in tracking your subject's eye. Additionally, the camera's real-time autofocus tracking feature is equally impressive, using AI to tenaciously track moving subjects when shooting stills or movies. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7R3. The Sony Alpha 7R3 is a camera that offers superior speed and professional-class operability, making it the ideal partner for photographers who demand reliable performance, even in harsh conditions. Its standout feature is the 42.4-megapixel image sensor and enhanced image processor, allowing you to capture images that were once only in your adventurous imagination. The camera also supports super-speed USB 3.1 Gen 1, enabling fast PC remote data transfers for smooth handling of large raw data files. When it comes to video, this camera doesn't disappoint, supporting 4K HDR images with a broad dynamic range and wide color gamut, resulting in movies of extraordinary presence. In summary, the Sony Alpha 7R3 is a camera that offers more of everything you desire in both photography and filmmaking. Number 2. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera designed to take your photography to the next level. With its 20-megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic-X image processor, the R6 delivers stunning image quality with an impressive ISO range. One of its standout features is advanced subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology, making it the perfect camera for capturing action-packed scenes. For videographers, the R6 offers 4K up to 60 frames per second and 1080p up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit. The EOS R6 is the ultimate tool for capturing quality content, whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. Our journey concludes with the Sony ZV-E1, the world's first vlog camera designed specifically for content creators. Featuring a powerful 12.1-megapixel back-illuminated 35mm CMOS image sensor, this camera is a game-changer when it comes to capturing stunning visuals. One of its most avant-garde features is topic recognition technology powered by AI. With auto-framing, the camera automatically adjusts the framing to keep your subject in the spotlight no matter where they move. This feature takes the guesswork out of framing your shots, allowing you to focus on your content. With outstanding resistance to dust and moisture, the ZV-E1 is built to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-E1 is the ultimate vlog camera for creators who demand the very best. And there you have it, our comprehensive list of the top 10 best budget full-frame mirrorless cameras for 2023. These cameras are not just tools, they are gateways to your creative vision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your fellow photography enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.